Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the sandstorm stickman. I'll be showing two ways, the hard way and the cheesed way. First, let's do the hard way because cheesing is just bad. So there isn't really a tutorial to this, you just have to complete an obby.
You don't need my calculator? Huh?
Maybe I should do this without sprint. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
You don't need my calculator.
No. Okay, yeah, let's do this with sprint. Guys, this is nothing but trouble. Whoa. Cheat. Jump. Guys, this is the crazy part. Jump. Jump. Oh my gosh. And there you go. That is how you get the sandstorm stickman. Now time for the cheesed way. Cheese. Nope. Guys, you may be thinking, but Charlie, that's only how to get photo stickmen. Well, once you see it, you may be wrong. So once you've got the photo stickman, they actually forgot to add the barrier. So this is your lucky day before they get the barrier. Oh my gosh, I almost just flinged myself. Oh, O'Reilly. Auto port. Auto port. And that's the chest way. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in our next one. Meantime, watch our other tutorials. They are epic tutorials that you can watch every single day. I'm posting tutorials a lot. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.